Hello, everybody out there. This is Nawang here, and one of your favorite market opinion leaders speaking on behalf of Oriental Pacific Futures based in Kuala Lumpur of Malaysia. All right, so this is the weekly videocast on the CPO trading in Bursa Malaysia, and this week we are moving into September, a new month, and this is a very, very important videocast that I hope all of you could stay tuned with me just for about 3 to 4 minutes. All right, before you discover very, very important information from FCPO. All right, as usual, the active month is actually in the November delivery month. All right, and we are moving into a new month, September, and this videocast we will start off with the monthly chart, as you can see here. All right, FCPO monthly chart, and by looking at this very simple monthly bar diagram, all right, that we have just drawn a resistance line pulling down here. All right, the market in August actually continue to break down on the 50% channel and moving down. All right, so on this coming September, most likely we'll be expecting the whole month to be bearish, and it seems that the market has got a little bit more room to complete at the downside, probably below 1,800 ringgit per ton in the FCPO prices. All right, from this, it may be moving down anywhere to 1,720 before it bounces up. So that is on the weekly chart. All right, and also looking at the volume of last one whole month, we see that the volume was pretty heavy. All right, with a down move in the black bar, which is represented by red. So there are a lot of selling pressure here. Okay, moving into the weekly chart. All right, we could see that last week there was a down range here with the initial pull up in the early part of last week, but the volume was actually pretty high also on selling down. Okay, so this is on the weekly chart. All right, then going into the daily chart. All right, daily chart. All right, okay, the market has been going down on a very straight fall for many months. Okay, by doing this, let us put it into black color so it can be more visible. Okay, at line, and let's thicken the line. Okay, as we actually pull this parallel chart here, all right, we could see that the market actually has broken down on the support downside below this line, and on moving up, as what I mentioned and predicted in the last week videocast, that the market will be very strongly resisted at 2030 to 2050 in case of any pull up. All right, so it will be same for this week. All right, if the market pulls up, then 2030 will start to have very strong selling pressure. In any case, all right, as we zoom out, most likely we will be seeing this week for a continued down move, and do not try to go long or pick the bottom, because this is a very, very extremely sharp fall. Once it start to come down on the next few couple of days, it may actually break very quickly below 1,900 and move towards the region of 1,800 ringgit per ton in the FCPO prices trading in November delivery month. All right, so this is pretty scary. All right, from day chart, we move into the daily, 60-minute hourly chart here. As we see here, all right, there isn't any strong resistance on the top side, except in this region where it is suppressed down by the EMA 20 line, the EMA 20 moving average, which is in the region of 1,980 to 2,000 ringgit per ton if it happens to pull up on this early part of the week. All right, so for the short summary in the FCPO prices, all right, top side immediately we are looking at a resistance at 1,980 to 2,000. All right, on the secondary side, 2050 is a very strong resistance, and this week most likely we are going to see the market continue to fall, all right, below 1,900, moving to the region of 1,800 ringgit per ton, and most likely over the next 1 or 2 weeks. So trade cautiously and do not try to catch a long in the market, and if you do, then do not lose more than 30 ticks in the market, and do not hesitate to cut loss if the market goes against you. This is Dawang here, one of your favorite market opinion leaders speaking on behalf of Oriental Pacific futures based in Malaysia. I hope you trade well and continue to make more profit in FCPO prices. Thank you very much for watching this videocast, and do come back again on next Monday. All right, and we hope to give you more information for creating profit. Thank you very much. Bye.